Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I am going to Miami and I'm super excited. I'm going to self-tan right now, so that's why I kind of look like a mess. I'm going to show you what I use though. I'm not going to do a whole like self-tan video, but if you want to see how I self-tan, let me know. I'll definitely make a video about that. Here's the tanner I use. It's my all-time favorite. Nothing else gets me like a nice tan that isn't orangey except for the stuff. I love it so much. I get the dark one and I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm all self-tanned up. Looking good. Love the outfit. These are basically all the outfits I'm taking. I just have them set up on my rack for now. And then I have my suitcase, like kind of just like, I just threw stuff together and just left it there of stuff I want to bring. So I'm going to organize that. I think I'm going to start with toiletries. I always like to put my travel stuff in, I always like to put my liquids in plastic baggies, so in case there's like a little explosion or something leaks, it doesn't go all over my suitcase. My mom has always had me do that, and now I just can't go without doing that. And I have all this stuff that I need to pack. Ugh. These are my little hair clips, and then I have these little scrunchies that I'm taking. You'll see all these on an Instagram picture, because I have some cute clips that I need to take photos in. Also, this looks really dirty, but it's not. It's just from literally when I was in middle school I got this. It's so old, but it is clean. Just don't judge me. It's so cute though. It's from Tarte. They don't even make this anymore, and I love it. I just put all the big stuff in this little blue bag. I always take this when I travel. I just somehow end up using it. And I have my little makeup wipe. It's not dirty. Just washed it, and I just love this because it's so gentle on the skin, so I'm going to pack that. And I'm leaving this part open so when I get there I can unpack all my makeup and just put it in there and like hang it up for the hotel. And I can just hang it up on the hotel rack or whatever. That way all my stuff is just where I need it. Also, this is the candle you were just sitting on. Look how cute this is. Like the little hook that you hang up just like closes it. So adorable. For packing my bigger liquids, I actually use these tiny little things because I feel I don't need to bring the big giant bottle with me. So I have this one, Sol de Janeiro body oil. I have my little self-tan facial stuff. And look at this, it's so cute. It has like a little lid so it doesn't like bust out everywhere when you open it. I love that. And then right here is my Ghost Oil Prep cream for when I apply heat to my hair. And this is where I packed my wave spray by Pacifica. I don't add a lot, just as much as I think I need for 3 days. For lotions, I have my Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream and my Copper Coconut Sands from Bath & Body Works body wash. Love it. I love stuff that smells like coconuts. I'm like a tropical coconut addict. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. I'm packing all my swimsuits in this little Zara bag. I got this when it was on sale, like their huge spring sale or whatever. And I'm just putting all my swimsuits. I don't think they're all gonna fit. Like, it's already so full. Check out my TikTok and my Instagram because I'll be showing these off a lot because I'm so excited. They're so cute. I'm bringing this backpack just because I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of stuff. And I have my makeup in a little baggie for the TSA scan, and then my regular makeup just to scan that as well. But all my liquids are in the plastic bag. And then also they need to, you know, scan my jewelry. So I just have my necklace I'm gonna wear when I get off the plane in here as well. And yeah, I just like having the extra backpack. I'm gonna put my purse in here too. And yeah, I like this backpack a lot. I got it from Target. It's so old, but it's so roomy and cute, like so cute. So that's what I'm gonna do with this backpack. I also have the plain snacks, Smart Sweets. I love these so much. These are little fishy ones. And my mom, she got me some of these Auntie Annie cheese crackers and I ate them all. in the last 2 days. This is all that's left. I'm just gonna pack them anyway because they're so good. But yeah, I ate the whole box.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheek.
Extra accessories, this little bag that I thrifted, and then this little Coach bag that my dad got me for Christmas. These are gonna be my photo purses, not my actual purses that I like walk around with. I know I packed like a ton of stuff for 3 days, but I have a lot of content to shoot and a lot of brand collaborations, so that's why there's like a ton of stuff. But I actually think I have a lot of room for anything else that I buy while I'm there. Like, I don't feel like my suitcase is packed to the brim like it usually is. In these 2 pockets, I have just a bunch of bags to put all my dirty laundry and stuff in. This is where I'm gonna put my underwear and my socks. Little pouch, probably for some jewelry or something that I get on the trip. Hairbrush, sunglasses. And then back here is my shoes. I keep them separated in bags so they don't get dirty. And I have my beach bag, my jewelry, my little bag that I showed you earlier, and then the big bag with all of my hair stuff and body wash and all that. This is my Prada bag. I'm gonna let my mom use this one. I was gonna wear the white Coach one, but I'm actually gonna use my vintage Gucci instead. I keep changing my outfits. Here she is, she's gorgeous. Gonna wear her instead. Love it, so beautiful. Carry-on is ready to go. And in my carry-on, I have my film camera. I'll also be bringing my vlog camera because I'll be vlogging. These are the shoes that are gonna go in my check bag. And then I just have the 2 over here in my carry-on. Over here in my carry-on is my outfit. The bag is gonna go in my backpack so I can take it without bringing 2 bags. So cute. I love my little Coach bag. So beautiful. And then I just have my little Jacquemus hat. So cute. And then I have all my clothes. Obviously, I can't wear all these. Some of these are just for pictures and just like my content that I need to get while I'm there, since I'm only gonna be there for 3 days. But I do have some more space for anything that I decide to buy while I'm there. And for entertainment on the plane, and I also have a 3-hour layover on my way home. I got this book called Reckless Girls. I was looking for a fun like summery book to just read during the summer and like spring and stuff, just to get myself excited. And I found this one and I think it sounds really good. It's like a mystery thriller. She also makes other books that are like this, so I'm definitely gonna read more. And I also have some more on my list as well. I love the Pretty Little Liar books, and this one just kind of like gave me Pretty Little Liar vibes. And I also got this one at Target for, I think it was like $19.